Hi, how are you today? I would like to have a quick note about the coronavirus. I have 5 unusual steps that I may want to talk to you again to protect yourself from the coronavirus. Okay, the first one is to wear the mask, of course. If supply is not enough, please sterilize with the soap and hot water and reuse them. Make sure you mark your name on it. Okay, and that's one. And the second point is, which everybody knows, is wash your hand with the soap for 20 seconds. Not that many people talk about. When you wash your hand, also use the soap and rinse your nose. And it's critical. Your nose hairs can capture some of the virus while you're breathing. Cleaning that area for 20 seconds with the soap with your baby finger is important. The third point is wear these kind of gloves, disposable gloves, on your left hand. So when you go out, don't use your right hand, use your left hand to grab anything, push anything, touch anything. The problem with hand, if you don't have a glove, you will tend to touch your eyes and face. It's voluntary, do that. But with your glove, you will notice, oh okay, I won't touch it with the gloves on. But without the gloves, you would sometimes, without knowing, you touch yourself. Okay. Also, this is very handy when you want to take it off. Just load this, and then you can easily capture the use side on the inside, and you may reuse it, or you could wash along when you wash your hand and wash the glove. And this is disposable, but it can also be reused. The fourth part is make sure when you're home, especially if you're alone, then it's okay, but if you are more than one person in the family, use a file folder, something like that, and you cover up your toilet bowl before you flush. This is very simple to do, but it's very critical just in case one of you get infected without knowing, and when you flush, there will be aerosol that carry the virus that will infect another person in your family without your household. Or if it's in the office, you will infect your colleagues. So that's the fourth part. And the fifth part, I was told that the red wine is really good to kill the virus if they happen to get stuck in your mouth, in your throat area, or maybe liquor. But I think red wine is great. For me, I think doesn't hurt. And hopefully, let's try that. Hope everybody's well. Thank you.